First at 6, COVID cases and hospitalizations are continuing to rise, and some local leaders are grappling with how to stop the spread. For the second time this week, Oregon set a new record in its daily count of infections with 2,971 cases and 19 new deaths. The health authority says more than 250,000 Oregonians have contracted COVID-19 so far. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez joins us live now in Beaverton with more on some proposals that Washington County leaders have been debating this week. Bridget?
Yeah, Nora, one option suggested by the Washington County Commission chair was a 4-week ban on indoor dining. Another one would have required proof of vaccination if you wanted to eat indoors. But we've learned late today that that won't be happening anytime soon. As COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continue to surge in Oregon, elected officials are struggling to figure out how to help. In a work session on August 17th, Washington County Commission Chair Kathryn Harrington proposed a ban on indoor dining for 4 weeks to help stop the spread of the COVID-19 Delta variant.
That evidence shows that outdoor-only dining works, that it is the quickest way and a way that has worked every time we've instituted it with all of our prior surges, that it works, we've done it, and it's reduced the number of cases within 2 weeks.
Lisa Aline is the manager at Ichabod's Bar and Grill in Beaverton and tells us this would devastate restaurants.
I don't think that restaurants, A, should take the hit again, B, can survive the hit again. I just don't necessarily think this is the way to go. 4 weeks doesn't seem like a long time, but 4 weeks of nobody in your establishment, that's a long time.
Another option that Harrington suggested in an email to mayors in the county yesterday would allow indoor dining, but only if you show proof of vaccination. The Portland Metro Area Public Health Multi-Agency Coordination Group looked at the idea of closing or restricting restaurants and bars and updated its recommendation just this morning, finding, quote, without interest from state or all metro jurisdictions, this intervention in just one county would be minimally effective and would negatively, disproportionately impact one industry. They also added that limiting businesses to only vaccinated people would not minimize the risk of transmission or breakthrough cases. Late this afternoon, Chair Harrington sent another email to mayors communicating this new position and gave a statement to Fox 12 saying, quote, no other actions such as banning indoor dining are being planned at this time. Our regional public health officials have informed us that without statewide or a regionally consistent approach, banning indoor dining would be ineffective. Aline says she wants commissioners who may be contemplating any new restrictions to simply step back and see it from the restaurant's perspective.
Come walk in our shoes. If you had been with us the last, 18 months, you would know that this is not going to solve your issue. It didn't solve it the first time. It may have helped a little bit, but really, let's face it, the only thing that is truly going to help this situation is people getting vaccinated, people wearing a mask, and people being more we-oriented than me-oriented.
The Metro Public Health Group did advocate for some changes, including canceling large outdoor events through the end of summer where physical distancing is difficult. Reporting live in Beaverton, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.